And in front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at the very beginning you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then find and select three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to history. And here mark clear browsing data, and you will find here basic and advanced options. So here we've got 3 of them, and then 3 more are under advanced. So just pick those that you would like to remove, those data, and then just manage time range. So just click here to enroll all options and decide if you would like to remove history from past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will go with all time, and then just tap on clear data. Tap on clear then, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.